Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fidelity app refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and let the list load completely. This shows you exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Tap offload on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps its documents and data. Also, check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden storage hogs. Once you've freed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, then go back to the App Store and try installing or updating your Fidelity app again. Go to your App Store and search for the Fidelity app and reinstall it or update it from there again. After that, if the error persists even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stuck storage gauge. So all you've got to do is free up storage in iPhone storage, offload unused apps and restart if needed. Fidelity installs and updates cleanly. Subscribe.